Okay.
Whoa, man, stop.
Got the dredge going. We got a wide mouth box right there. Part of the underneath of a double box. Then the top part of the double box.
Here it comes.
Or the upper way. Then we got a drop rifle. 4-inch PVC. And about 50 feet up. And then we got 3-inch corrugated up at the top, which is the suction nozzle. And all the way up, we got Grandpa up on the dredge right now. And there's the black 3-inch corrugated. Oh, and there's him. In the hole. Hit bedrock. It's like a bowl, kind of. Goes from here, goes around. Three-inch is doing pretty good, though, huh? I think we're probably ready for 4-inch. And then again, 3-inch is doing really good for us so far. The hole is about 4 feet deep when the water's going through there and not the pipe. Yeah, he got another clog. Oh, there it goes. Jethro, you gotta get some of them rocks out. Get some of them rocks out.